Hello everyone. Today we will study about the Portuguese governors that had came to India. So before starting our today topic, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. So first of all, Francisco de Almeida, governor in India. In 1505, King of Portugal, appointed for 3 years, received opposed from Zamorian and Mameluke Sultan of Egypt. So after that, in 1507, Egyptian fleet defeated Portuguese cordon with the Gujarat Navy in Diu. So Egyptian fleet and the Gujarat Navy defeated the Portuguese in Diu, where Almeida's son was killed. And next year, Almeida defeated both armies of Gujarat Sultan and Egyptian. His vision was to make Portuguese master of Indian Ocean. So this is the important topic that who wanted to make Portuguese master of Indian Ocean. So you have to write Francisco de Almeida. His policy was known as a blue water policy. So this is also an important point. Now Alfonso de Albuquerque, second governor of India, real founder of Portuguese in East, stronghold of at Ormuz, Malabar and Malacca, introduced permit system for both ships, acquired Goa from Sultan of Bijapur in 1510. So who acquired Goa from Sultan of Bijapur? Then Alfonso de Albuquerque. Now then abolition of sati was also held by him, encouraged to take local wives and introduced Portuguese as a village landlord. So don't forget to subscribe my channel.